beautiful Guliver Cookstove. See the nice detailing. This is the burgundy color featured with the warming oven here. I'm gonna give you guys a full view of this stove with the top warming oven.